is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I'm just gonna start brushing you here. Just gonna brush Spooky. I'm gonna brush Spooky. Brushing Spooky. Brush Spooky.
God enjoys dampening over-the-top vibes with a reality check.
Stop, y'all.
The smaller and younger, the more wild and fierce they tend to be.
Yo, what's good? What's good? Can I go in there? Is that okay if I...
Nope.
Okay? Damn, bro.
Din din, din din, din din, din din, kitties.
Kitties? Din din?
It's a tad spooky at first, but the second time was a blast. Needless to say, he prepared for round 3. I'm flexing hard just to make sure they see my epic jump on the swing. Get a cat for some entertaining moments when you're feeling dull.
Oh, come back for more?
When your Asian cat's ready for married life, and now all she's missing is a hubby.
Oh dear.
Speaking of enemies, there's hardly anyone who can make cats grow trust issues like Bubbles. Guess who's the biggest drama queen? Surprisingly, it's not the cat. Little guy thinks he's all grown up and doesn't need someone watching over him anymore. Although there's no war here, he insists on being the one to take charge.
今天我没打你吧？
We found the child of the music god and the Halloween god. Gotta finish the water after drinking, and I see my paws need a wash too. Cat IQ equals a 2-year-old, but they sure catch on to bad words, you know?
Stop. Shut up.
Ah, get it off! I don't know what this dot is, but it burns. Ouch! Imagine the chaos when roomies with clashing music tastes share the same roof.
What do you have in your backpack?
My cat. And I want to bring it to school.
You can't bring your cat to school.
Yes, I can!
Stop. Stop.
It's my cat!
Once they're in love, girls turn into little Detective Conans.
Sorry, I just read out all the information.
You want some treats?
Don't break my cup. Oh, you're scratching me, you're scratching me, you're scratching me.
A pretty face doesn't always guarantee happiness, but a full stomach is such a mood lifter.
No, bro. Nah, look at him.
Oh my god, look at his eyes.
He looks scared.
You and your pal are inseparable, but she's off to the vet solo today. Here you go. It's hard to find the right slippers at the first try. Looks like this cutie is all in for saving the planet and backing plastic bag reusing. Did anyone slip an energy drink into the orange guy's beverage? He's on fire! When you chase passion without thinking about the aftermath, it's like playing with fireworks without a plan. Those slaps deserve their own brand name, I tell you. Seriously, they're that iconic. In a fight of strength, size matters the most, and it's hard to change the fact. Hello, can you come close and play with me, please? Sometimes big bro's gotta flex and show the little bro who's the boss around here. When you're too comfy with that extra mouth always around, it gets kinda weird, huh? Yo human, check it out! I set up this harvest scene for some skill practice. Girls, you feel this? It's tough to say bye even when he's gotta go. This house has Sherlock thinking hard. Must be some serious shady business. The music producer's cat's got some serious potential. They might just be the perfect muse.
Man, that shit hard.
Alright, when I squeeze in, hit the button, okay? To level up securely in games, master the art of multitasking. I'll slap first and ask questions later, just in case.
笑死了，把我视觉吓死了。六，豆豆。
Well, it's a piece of bad luck for any pet store to encounter such naughty cats. Dude, I said stop woollying around. Dude, seriously, are you okay? A top agent's gotta stay sharp. Roll to dodge surprise laser beams. Wheel exercises is great, but maybe time for a wheel upgrade or diet change. There are many ways to impress your crush, but not this one.
You have a smooth brain.
Clothes ain't fur, Mr. Fashion. Give that tongue a break.
All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
What the fuck, dude? Hello. Ow!
It's a big question. Who is the real snack monster? Cat or food bag?
What is wrong with you?
As a mum of two, you're also the chief peacemaker in the house.
Alright, okay, alright. Oh my god.
We've all been there, hiding our lover from parents and feeling awkward when we're being busted. The neighborhood here is chill, but the cat hood is drama central. No kidding. Big siblings and sis get it. Younger ones can drive you crazy, but Mom is watching.
干嘛生气啦？干嘛生气啦？
你脑子搞得他烦死了。
Fun without hindering others' efforts is a valuable manner. Bravo, Kitty!
Oh my god.
A clever one has a game plan for every showdown. The short can be puzzling. Are they cats or undercover rabbits? Another story of attitude and practice. That's why learning is so important.